Dear children, let us have a quick recap what we learnt in our previous class. First of all, we learnt about the internal structure of the earth, and then we also learnt about the continental drift theory proposed by Alfred Wegener, and we also learnt about the latitudes and the longitudes. Now, let us learn about the longitudes as indicators of time. Latitudes and longitudes, they intersect with each other and form the grid. How is this grid useful? We can locate any place on the globe. With the help of this grid, we can locate any place on the globe. We can know the time at any place, and we can also know the climatic conditions of a place. And we can also know in which direction we have to move to reach the destination. Now, longitudes and time. As you already know, the sun takes 4 minutes to cross one longitude. So, the difference in time between two longitudes is 4 minutes. Time differs from one longitude to another. First, let us discuss what is local time and what is standard time. Local time means all the places on the Earth's surface are located on one or the other longitude. If the time of a place is calculated based on the longitude passing through that place, it is called as local time. If the sun is directly overhead, suppose at 10 degrees east longitude, the sun is directly overhead, the local time at that longitude or at that place through which it is passing will be 12 noon because the sun is overhead. And at a place located at 11 degrees east longitude, the local time will be 12 and 4 minutes, that is 12:04 p.m. Local time from place to place differs because the longitude differs, and this can cause lot of confusion. Suppose now in Kakinada the time is 11 a.m. Vijayawada it is 10 a.m. Hyderabad it is 9 a.m. Is it not confusing to carry on any activities for trains, buses, for any announcements to be made by the government in times of natural calamities? For all these things, we face lot of confusion if the time differs from place to place. And to avoid this confusion, the world is divided into 24 time zones. Starting from the 0 degree longitude or prime meridian. The width of each time zone is 15 degrees of longitude. The sun takes 4 minutes to cross 1 degree longitude. So, 15 degrees into 4 minutes is equal to 60 minutes, and that is equal to 1 hour. Thus, the time difference between two time zones is 1 hour. As we travel towards east of the prime meridian, there are 180 longitudes, and towards west there are 180 longitudes. So, when we travel towards east of the prime meridian, we add 4 minutes for each longitude. It is called as EGA, that means east gain add. Likewise, when we travel towards west of the prime meridian, we subtract 4 minutes for each longitude, and that is called as WLS, that is west loss subtract. Time at 0 degree longitude or prime meridian is called GMT, that means Greenwich Mean Time. Now let us see what is standard time. Standard time means some countries choose one of the meridians passing through the center of their country as their standard meridian, and the time at that meridian is followed by the whole country. For example, in India we have selected 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude as our standard meridian because it passes through the center of the country, that is Mirzapur in UP and Kakinada, and the time at that meridian is followed by the whole country. That is why when it is 10 a.m. in Mumbai, it is 10 a.m. in Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, and throughout the country also, it is 10 a.m. only. So we can avoid confusion. This time is called Indian Standard Time. That is IST. In short form, we call it as IST. This Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours ahead of GMT. Now let us see how it is 5.5 hours ahead of GMT. Suppose at 0 degree meridian, it is 12 noon. In India, it will be 5:30 p.m. because it is 5.5 hours ahead. We have selected 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude as our standard meridian. That means for each longitude 4 minutes. So 82.5 into 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 330 divided by 60 minutes is equal to 5.5 hours. And each country has its own standard meridian and the time at that meridian is followed by the whole country. For example, standard meridian of Pakistan is 74 degrees 22 minutes and standard meridian of Japan is 135 degrees east longitude. Now, countries which have large number of longitudes passing through, they may divide their country into more convenient time zones. For example, Russia, which is the largest country, has 11 time zones and USA has 9 time zones. Now, how to calculate time based on longitude? I will give you 2 examples, both east and west also. First example is Sydney. Sydney is located at 151 degrees east longitude. And if it is 12 noon in Greenwich, that means if GMT is 12 noon, what will be the time in Sydney? That is the question. Now let us see how to calculate. 151 into multiplied by 4 is equal to 604 divided by 60 minutes, that is equal to 10:04 p.m. And because Sydney is located at east longitude, we have to add 10 hours 4 minutes to GMT. That is GMT 12 noon plus 10 hours 4 minutes, it comes to 10:04 p.m. Now another example, Chicago is located at 87 degrees 30 minutes west longitude. And if GMT is 12 noon, find out the time at Chicago. Remember, it's on the western longitude, so we have to subtract it. What is the longitude of Chicago? 87 degrees 30 minutes multiplied by 4, that comes to 350 and divided by 60 minutes again is equal to 5 hours 50 minutes. And GMT is 12 noon and moving towards west we have to subtract 5 hours 50 minutes from 12. And that is time at Chicago. 12 minus 5 hours 50 minutes, 6:10 a.m. Like that you can work out many other places also which are given in your exercise. Now, the lesson ends here. Now, please take out page number 12 of your textbook. I am giving you some answers which you have to note down in your textbook itself. Page number 12 of the textbook. First question in exercise, look at the map of India in an atlas and identify latitude and longitude for the following places. Kanyakumari, 8 degrees 06 minutes north and 77 degrees 35 minutes east longitude. Imphal, 24 degrees 44 minutes north and 93 degrees and 5 minutes east longitude. Jaisalmer, 27 degrees north latitude and 71 degrees east longitude. Pune, 18 degrees 31 minutes north and 73 degrees 55 minutes east longitude. Patna, 25 degrees 37 minutes north and 85 degrees 13 minutes east longitude. Now likewise, see the 9th question. With the help of your teachers, find out the standard meridian of given countries. The first one is Nepal. You can note down there itself with pencil. Nepal, it is located at 86 degrees 20 minutes east longitude. Nepal, 86 degrees 20 minutes east longitude. Pakistan, 74 degrees 22 minutes east. Bangladesh, 90 degrees east. And England, 0 degree. Malaysia, 105 degrees east. And Japan, 135 degrees east longitudes. Now, I am going to give you some homework. You have to maintain a 200 pages white pages book for this, and from the front you can start paper 1, that is geography and economics, and from back history and civics, that is paper 2. Now because this is geography lesson, start from the front, and the first homework is complete the blanks in the material with the help of textbook. With the help of my explanation in this video or with the help of textbook, you complete all the blanks in the material. Second homework is learn all the 1 mark and 2 mark questions from material and write as homework. 1 mark question, if you are learning 1 mark questions, only 4 or 5 per day. And if it is 2 marks questions, only 3 per day. And if it is 4 marks question, 1 per day. but make sure that you write it without seeing. First learn it and then write it without seeing. That is more important. Now the lesson ends.